Let's continue the chapter Trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. I have uploaded 2 videos and this will be the last video for trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, and sums will be slightly confusing, so please do pay attention and understand the steps. It is question number 11. Question says that if 2 theta is an acute angle and 2 sine 2 theta equal to root 3, find theta, means you have to calculate the angle. 2 theta is acute angle, so you don't have to worry about that. You copy the given term. 2 sine 2 theta is root 3. Make sine the subject of formula. Sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. 2 divides other side. You got root 3 divides by 2. Now you have to use standard angles. Which trigonometrical sign means the angle of sine which gives root 3 by 2. And if you remember your table, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So what do? We write sine 2 theta is equal to sine 60 degree. Standard angle, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. You cannot cancel sine. Sine equal to sine. So 2 theta will be equal to 60 degree. Now we can calculate theta from here. Theta equals to 60 divided by 2, which is equals to 30 degree. It is just opposite. The standard value will be given. You have to use the angle. Simple steps you need to follow. Second one, similar sum. Question says that 20 degree plus x is an acute angle and cos 20 degree plus x equal to sine 60 degree. Question says that find x. Similar sum, you copy this entire given term. Cos 20 degree plus x equal to sine 60 degree. You have standard angle, so substitute its value. Cos 20 degree plus x equal to, we know sine 60 is root 3 by 2. On left hand side you have cos. So replace this root 3 by 2 using cos angle. Which cos will give you root 3 by 2? Cos 20 degree plus x equal to cos 30. Cos 30 degree. You have cos either side. Now equate the angles. 20 degree plus x equal to 30 degree. X equal to 30 degree minus 20 degree, which is equal to 10 degree. Similar sum. Sine's value you substitute. On the left hand side you have cos. Which cos will give you root 3 by 2? It is 30. cos equal to cos. So equate the angles and then calculate. Now look at this question number 13, and it is an important sum. From the figure, so you have a figure given in the question. It is C y root 3 1, and you have x here. It is a right angle triangle. All the values are given. Hypotenuse is y, perpendicular is root 3, and base is 1. You need to use the figure to calculate the value of tan x. Tan x, and we know tan is the ratio of perpendicular to base. So look at perpendicular here, root 3, and base is 1. So value of tan x is root 3. Simple. First answer. Second one, question says that find x. So we use the same answer. Tan x degree is equal to root 3. Which trigonometrical tan is root 3? Tan 60 degree is root 3. So we replace root 3 by 60. Tan x degree is equal to tan 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degree. Tan equal to tan, so x will be equal to 60 degree. The third one, question says that calculate cos x degree. Cos x degree. Cos, we know x, it is 60. Cos 60 is 1 divides by 2. Now question says that use sin x to find y. So we write sin x degree. And we know sin, it is ratio of sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we have perpendicular root 3. Hypotenuse is y. You write as you have. Now substitute here. Sin, we know the value of angle 60. Root 3 divides by y. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 again, which is equal to root 3 by y. Now you cross multiply. Root 3 into y is equal to 2 root 3. Make y the subject of formula. 2 root 3 divides by root 3. Cancel it. It gives you 2. Value of y is 2. So you can try same question using different value. You can change this and write this one as root 3 1. Root 3 1. First one you can calculate tan x. Second one you can calculate x. Third one you can calculate cos x. Fourth one you can find use sin x to find y. Similar sum I have changed the value. So please do try this sum. Now question number 16. It is very important. Question says that if 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is equal to 0, and you have a condition given, x is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 90. This is the condition. Then question says that find sin square x, cos square x minus sin square x. So what is this means? It means that when you take this given term and calculate the angle x, that angle must be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 90. Means that this value can be either 30, it can be 45, it can be 60. It can't be less than 0 and it can't be more than 90. So it has to be within this range. It has to be between 30, 45 and 60. Greater than 0 and less than equal to 90. So we copy the given term. And please pay attention to understand this. 4 cos square x degree equal to, take 1 on the right hand side. Cos square x degree is equal to 1 upon 4. This 4 divides right hand side. You have square, so remove it. Cos x degree is equal to root 1 by 4. When you remove square from the left hand side, put root on the right hand side. Cos x degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Square root of 1 is 1, 4 is 2. Cos x degree. On the left hand side you have cos, so you need to start figuring out which cos will give you half. And if you remember your table, cos 60 is half. So you write here cos 60 degree. Cos equal to cos, so x will be equal to 60 degree. First answer. Second one, question says that find sin square x degree plus cos square x degree. Sin square you write as it is, x we know 60 degree. Cos we write as it is 60 degree. Now substitute. Cos sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Square of root 3 is 3. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. LCM 4. 3 plus 1. 4 divides by 4, which is equal to 1. Similarly, you can try the third one by substituting the value of x. You have question number 17 now. Similar sum. Question number 17. I'll do part 1. You can try part 2 yourself. Sec theta is equal to cosec theta. And theta is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 90. Find theta. Look at this calculation. This sec and cosec you have to change using the reciprocal relation. This sec can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Cosec can be written as 1 upon sin theta. Now we cross multiply and take this sign to numerator. Sin theta divides by cos theta. 1 divides by 1. We are interchanging this. Sin goes numerator, at numerator. 1 goes at denominator. Interchange. And you know the value of sin divides by cos can be written as tan theta. Which trigonometrical tan is equal to 1? Tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. Answer. Try question number 18 in similar way. Question number 19 is again similar. Now look at this question number 20. Question number 20. It says that if sine x plus cos y is equal to 1, x is equal to 30 degree. Find y, which is acute angle. So what do? We write the given term sine, and we know the value of x, it is 30. Substitute here. Cos y is equal to 1. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2 plus cos y is equal to 1. Transpose it, take it other side. Cos y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Cos y is equal to, take LCM, 2 minus 1. Cos y equal to 1 upon 2. On the left hand side you have cos. So which trigonometrical cos will give you half? Cos y is equal to cos 60 degree. Same trigonometrical ratios you have to use to get this value for standard angle. Cos equal to cos, so y is equal to 60 degree. You have one more question, that is question number 21. Will be the last sum from this exercise. You don't have to do 11, 22, 23 and all. You can just leave it. And I'll be doing question number 25 also. That is the last sum. Look at this. Question says that if sine a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2 equal to cos a minus b, a plus b is greater than 0, less than equal to 90 degree. Find the values of a and b. It's not difficult, but it will be a bit lengthy. Copy the equation and equate these two first. First equal to second, second equal to third. So first will be equal to second. Sine a plus b equal to root 3 by 2. You have sine trigonometrical ratio. Which sine is equivalent to root 3 by 2? Sine a plus b is equal to sine 60 degree. Sine equal to sine, so a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Equation number 1. Now second equal to third. So I'll arrange it. Cos a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2. You have cos. Which cos will give you root 3 by 2? It is cos 30 degree. Cos equal to cos, so a minus b will be equal to 30. Equation number 2. Now you have to simplify it. These two are simultaneous equations, so you simplify it simultaneously. A plus b is equal to 60. A minus b is equal to 60. By addition it cancels. Oh sorry, this is 30 degree. 2a is equal to 90. A is equal to 90 divided by 2. 45 degree. By substituting a plus b is equal to 60. A we know 45 plus b is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45, 15 degree. So this question is slightly lengthy, but process, the steps are similar. You can try this question. I'll give my own sum. Please do try this. if sine a plus b is equal to half equal to cos a minus b, and a plus b is greater than 0, less than equal to 90 degree, find a and b. Solve it in similar way, same steps involved, and the more you practice, you will remember the table, and without table you cannot solve the sums from trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Look at the last question I am doing, 25. In the figure given below, ABC is a triangle in which B is 45 degrees, C is 60 degrees, AD is perpendicular to BC. There is a symbol. This symbol means perpendicular to BC is 8. Find the altitude, height of the triangle. So what do? We draw the diagram at the side. You have to use the figure A, B, C, D. This is given, which is equal to 45 degree, 60 degree. Now question says that calculate AD, and this whole length is given. This whole length BC is equal to 8 meters. There are two right angle triangles, so you have to use both triangles to calculate this altitude perpendicular in triangle ABD, right angle triangle ABD. Let BD be x. You have to take this BD as x. So we know base and perpendicular is asked to calculate. Which trigonometrical ratio have base and perpendicular? It is tan. Tan x degree is equal to, or you can write like this, tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Tan x degree, tan 45 degree perpendicular is AD, and base is BD. Substitute now, tan 45 is 1, AD is unknown, BD we write x. Cross multiply, make AD the subject of formula, you get x. Leave it like this. We know this one as x. Now we use second right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, we know perpendicular. We can calculate base, total length 8 minus x. Again we have perpendicular and base, so we can use tan again. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 degree perpendicular is 80, base is DC. Tan 60 is root 3. ED we know that is x, and DC is 8 minus x. You need to simplify this. Cross multiply now. Right fraction multiplies this way, x equal to root 3 multiplies by 8 minus x. X equal to 8 root 3 minus root 3 x. Arrange it. X plus root 3 x equal to 8 root 3. You have to simplify this, and when you do the simplification, you need to take x common. You get 1 plus root 3 is equal to 8 root 3. Make x the subject of formula. 8 root 3 divides by 1 plus root 3. You can leave it like this, or you can do the simplification. You can simplify or leave it like this later. If you want to simplify this answer, then you have to rationalize it. Put multiplication sign. There is plus sign, so 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. Process of multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus is called rationalization. 8 root 3 you write as it is 1 minus root 3. A plus b, a minus b, so it will be 1 whole square minus root 3 whole square. 8 root 3, 1 minus root 3, 1 minus 3. 8 root 3, 1 minus root 3 divides by minus 2. Now you have to cancel it 2 4 times. So this minus from denominator you have to bring it up. You get minus 4 root 3. 1 minus root 3. Open the bracket now. Minus 4 root 3. Minus into minus is plus 4 into 3. Minus 4 root 3 plus 12. So arrange it. 12 minus 4 root 3. This is another simplified answer. If you want to go further, then you have to substitute the value of root 3. Root 3 has standard value 1.732. 12 minus 4 into 1.732. You multiply, subtract, you get the answer. Altitude, height of the triangle is whatever you get here, meter. So please do practice and memorize the table. Thank you very much.